Hello, good evening. In this slide, we will talk about acetabulum. It is a deep cup-shaped hemispherical cavity on the lateral aspect of the hip bone about its center. It is directed laterally downwards and forwards. The margin of acetabulum is deficient inferiorly. This deficiency is called the acetabular notch. It is bridged by the transverse ligament. The non-articular roughened floor is called the acetabular fossa. It contains a mass of fat which is lined by synovial membrane. A horseshoe shaped articular surface or lunate surface is seen on the anterior, superior and posterior parts of the acetabulum. It is lined with hyaline cartilage and articulate with the head of femur to form the hip joint. The fibrocartilaginous articular labrum is attached to the margins of the acetabulum. It deepens the articular cavity.